So I'm a big fan of companies, large and small, having an innovation team. But the goal of the innovation team is not to innovate, but to facilitate innovation throughout the company, to be the go-to people that will actually help everybody in the company, every colleague, innovate as part of their job and think a little bit differently than they do normally trying to do their day job. And that's been one of the big changes that happen in companies I've worked at in order to make innovation work on behalf of their customers. Well, one of the big things I learned at Tesco over the years is making innovation work in a company that has very tiny margins, that makes only a little bit of profit on food and drink, and yet getting innovation going for customers on behalf, or for Tesco on behalf of those customers, is absolutely really important. One of the big things that I've been able to take away from Tesco is to try and remove customer pain, remove their frustrations. Get rid of queuing is an example I'm giving in my presentation. Just get rid of it completely, make it impossible for customers to queue, and look using innovation techniques to actually make that happen on a small scale so that the company can then look at making that happen on a larger scale. And what I do with clients since Tesco is to make them think in that way. In English we say utopian, the best possible experience that a customer could ever have in an organisation, in a retailer, whether online or in store, we call utopia. And what we try and do is get that customer thinking about how to use innovation to get to utopia on behalf of their customers as quickly as possible, because that will keep customers' lifetime loyalty and happiness whenever they go to see that retailer. The atmosphere here is absolutely fantastic. Well, I'm actually learning quite a lot about how e-commerce is growing in Romania, and that people are really thinking, they're asking the right questions, and they're talking to each other and networking about how to achieve real growth in Romania. So I'm absolutely delighted to be here. E-commerce is very big in the UK, and to see it growing so fast here is just wonderful news.